Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Noya. Today I'm going to attempt to do box braid by myself. I have never done this before, but I am just hoping that it turns out nice. It's so expensive to do braids or any sort of thing on your hair in the UK, and now I'm turning to a DIY kind of girl. So I just want to see how this goes. I have watched so many YouTube videos, so I just thought to film and take you along the process with me in case you are also trying to, in case you're thinking about doing braids by yourself, or if you just want to watch for fun or entertainment. Please stick around. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, all right, fingers crossed that this is going to be nice. So I'll be using Shine and Jam. It's a conditioning gel and it's very good for the hold. I'll also be using some rubber bands as well as a tail comb for dividing it into sections, my hair that is. I'll also be using hair extensions from Expression. I can't remember how long it is, but I got this from Nigeria. I'm going to start by dividing my hair into sections. I have a 4C hair, so it's kind of difficult to work with. If you're going to do this style, I'd advise that you straighten your hair with heat. I tried to straighten my hair, but it didn't really work. It doesn't have to be perfect, obviously, but it just has to be good. I'm applying the Shine and Jam next. It is very helpful for dividing and parting your hair into sections. It just helps you have a better grip of the hair and just, you know, do a better job generally. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. So I'm sectioning the hair into different boxes, and I want the boxes to be as defined as possible, although the back didn't really turn out as good as the front because I couldn't really see what I was doing. I'll use more of the Shine and Jam and then the rubber band to hold it in place. If you're a beginner like me, then the rubber band method is really good. It helps you to get a better grip of the braids. And then when I'm done with the rubber band, I just open it up like you're going to see in the video, just so that it can be tighter and you can get a better grip when you actually start the braids. I'll repeat the same thing for the rest of the sections until I finish the hair. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. So I have finished parting. Anyways, I'm about to start the braids proper, and I have two options. From the videos I saw, there are two options. One using the crochet tool, the hook, and where's my crochet hook? Okay, here it is. So one using this crochet hook, and the second one is just, I'm going to show you. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so for the hair, I'm going to divide it into 3 equal parts, which is what I try to do. So the smallest section is what I'm going to attach the hair now, and the remaining 2 equal parts is what I'm going to use next. So I'm just going to attach this one first.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain.
Wow, is my head itching? I need my head. Hey, I'm so happy. Like, you know, my hair is natural, so it's not just fly. Even now, I don't need to, it's just I'm about to take over. So after braiding, I tied up each braid at the end so that it doesn't unravel. Guys, I'm about to take over. Bad, honestly. I feel like I did a good job. So I'm going to try the second method now, and honestly I feel like this method is easier, so I might just stick to it. But let me try that one and then conclude on what exactly I want to do. The beginning.
Well, yeah, the beginning of that first one looks more professional. Yeah. Like, there's anything wrong with this. It's not like it's bad. And also, when the braids, that one around the top, around where it begins, it looks like, say, the first 4 to 5.
Somehow.
They're not very.
I will use the other distance.
Huh?
I will use the other method.
Oh, it's a different
Yeah,
method.
it's a different method.
Why you tried one method and it worked? Why did you try?
No, because I just wanted to see which one would be easy. So the other rubber band method didn't work for me. I couldn't get a good grip, and the braid wasn't looking as neat as the other one. I'm not sure if it's the method or if I just didn't do it properly, but I decided to do what works for me, which is the crochet tool method. I don't know. If it allow me to finish dancing that song. Go for beat.
Go for beat, right?
If you listen to R. Kelly before Uncle.
The real about the thing that this one is currently doing, like, I feel like encouraging him.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Kill lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Kill lies, I'll do what I want.
The challenge I have now is that I have run out of this color of extension, and so this is in focus. Yeah, I've run out of this color and I have about 7 left, and this is the color I have. This is just doesn't go. It's just, but I don't have a choice, honestly. At this point I'm so tired. Ooh, finally done with everything. I'm going to trim, or just trim the flyaway hairs, and then after I'm done with this, I'm just going to put it in hot water and I'll be finally done. This has taken me hours upon hours upon hours. I'm not even going to lie, like, it's really stressful, but I guess it's because it's my first time and there's always a first time for everything. So hopefully next time I'm going to do it, I already have like a hang of it and I know what I'm doing, so it's not going to be as stressful and time consuming as today. And this is the final look, guys. What do you think? I think it's beautiful. I think I tried, seeing that this is my first time. I love the color, and the mixture of the hair extensions that I was so worried about didn't really turn out so badly because I can hide it. I really love this hair. I feel like it's a very good first attempt, and as you can see, the box braids is not really boxing behind, so many errors, but I think I can live with that. And this is just different styles that I can work with these braids: middle parts, side parts, a bun, and everything. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, please comment, I would like to read from you. And thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.